Hello everyone, welcome to my StudyTech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make violin plot with this dataset. It is the bar plot of this data. So to make the violin plot, you have to go the description of this video, go to the link for the R script. Here is a folder violin plot. You have to download this script and also the data.csv file. Let's check it. Then select this to file, copy to the document in the StudyTech working directory. Then open the R and make the StudyTech folder as a working directory. Now open the script. So in this process you need to install this library. After that, load this library into the R. Enter. So library is loaded. The next step, you have to load the data and view the data. So here is the script, read CSV, data CSV, and view the data frame. Copy and let's paste it. So here is the data of the CSV data. Now make a simple violin plot with this data. So the script here is, let's copy it and paste it in the RStudio. The script is ggplot and the data is the data frame loaded, and here it will make the violin plot where the X is the sample, this one, and the Y axis will be the value, this column. So be careful with the column name, value, and the sample. So it will create the plot and the plot will save as a P, and then after that it will show the P. Then enter. Go to the plot. You can see the plot is there. So now you have to sharp this plot. To make the sharp edges, you have to add the once command geom_violin trim false. Let's run this script and enter. So now it is solved. And next you can add the box plot within this violin plot. For that you have to add the P and this command, the box plot. Let's add it. So it added the box plot within the violin plot. Then we have to make a colorful violin plot. For that you have to use the similar argument. X-axis will be the sample, y-axis will be the value, and fill the violin plot with the sample. So there is a sample A, sample B, and sample C. So the color will be depending upon the X or the sample 1 A, sample A, B, and C. So let's copy and check it and paste it here. So violin plot is ready. You can export this image into PNG, JPG, TIFF, or you can export as a PDF. You can also export the previous plot made by this art session. So after that you can edit this CSV file with your own data, and using this script you can make your own violin plot with the help of this R. So it is the whole tutorial how to make the violin plot within the art studio. I am making this type of art tutorial video in my channel, so please subscribe and press the like and comment if you have any query, or you can mail me directly in my email address. Thank you.